Merry Christmas, guys. It has been a minute since I've made a video on my channel, but here I am. I wanted to do a holiday or Christmas look, something simple, nothing dramatic, I don't want to say very minimal because I always end up overdoing it, but something easy to do and something good for the holidays. But first, before we get into this holiday look, I do want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know who Ana Luisa is, they are a sustainable, affordable jewelry brand that have dainty quality pieces at affordable prices. I adore Ana Luisa and their pieces. I love jewelry in general, but I can't really afford real gold. When I started trying out Ana Luisa and their pieces, that was it for me. I don't wear any other jewelry. They don't tarnish. They don't turn my skin a different color. They're affordable, obviously. They last so long, and I'm not even exaggerating. But when you do buy a piece from Ana Luisa, they come with a 2-year warranty. They ship for free in the United States, and they have affordable shipping everywhere else. Now, all of their pieces start at $39, which is a great affordable price. And I'm going to show you a few pieces that I'm wearing right now. All right, these are the Cameron earrings. They are dipped in 14 karat gold, very lightweight and comfortable on the ears. I love how I wear hoops all the time. I love that it's a hoop, but it's like a weird oval type hoop. They're adorable. Then we have this letter necklace, which is crafted in recycled sterling silver and dipped in 14 karat gold. It has this dainty cable link chain with an uppercase letter. I chose the letter B for my child. Whenever I get something personalized, I always get it towards my son. This Ivor ring is probably my favorite. It's an anchor chain ring that looks and feels very luxe. I just love the design. It's very unique. So I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. Sawyaz or Soryaz, the bracelet. It's a paper clip bracelet. It has like an eye-catching, sleek design. This is also finished in 14 karat gold. So right now, Ana Luisa is having their holiday sale up to 35% off. With the holidays coming, now is the time to try them out or gift them for somebody, one of your loved ones. I promise you, you will not regret it. I do have it linked down in the description box to check them out. And again, thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. So let's get back into this holiday look. So the look that we're going to do today, I'm going to use the Mikayla Glamlite Paht 2 palette. I want to do something green, and this has green shades that I think will work. Now the first shade I'm going to use is this shade right here called Fall River. I am going to use this type of brush. It's kind of just like a stamping brush. And I'm going to end up stamping this just all over the lid. Then I'm going to go into the shade number 13 with this kind of like shader brush. And I am using that to start kind of blending out the top of that darker green shade. Now I'm just going to take like a random fluffy brush with no product, and I'm going to just kind of blend, like blow out that lighter shade. I went back into the first shade, Fall River, and just to kind of darken, like deepen up that lid again. Now I'm going to go in with my finger into the shade Glazed, and I'm just putting that all over the lid. I took the second brush that I used. I didn't put any additional product, and I'm just gently blending on top of that glitter that I put down. that's pretty much it for the top of the eyes. So I'm gonna go put the rest of my makeup on and I'll be back so we can finish up the look. All right, I'm back. Let's finish up the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the shade Cody James. And I'm just running that across the entire lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back into shade 13. I'm going to use that to blend out the lower lash line. Then I am going to go into the shade The Commons with like an angled brush for like a little baby wing. Take like, I don't know, like a poofy brush like this and just kind of very gently diffuse that wing so it's like there but hardly there. Now we need an inner corner highlight, and I'm going to go back into the shade Glazed and use it for the inner corner. That's it. Let me go do lashes and mascara and all that, and I'll show you the finished look. All right, here is the finished look. Let me show you a close-up. All of the products that I used on my face, on my eyes, I will have linked down in the description box below. If you guys want to see any more holiday looks, make sure you let me know. I'll be glad to do them because I love doing holiday looks. And again, thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. Definitely make sure you guys check them out. They are the perfect gift for the holidays. The link is down in the description box below because they are having their holiday sale up to 35% off, which is great, especially at already affordable items. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see y'all again soon.